My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of the Enjin coin, friends. What's the price goes in Enjin coin? A lot of people message me that please make a video on Enjin coin. They are asking me that what should we do at this time, buy, sell or hold Enjin coin at this time. A lot of people ask me in this question in Instagram, Twitter. So friends, if we talk about the Enjin coin price change, so the price change is absolutely very bad. That is why the decision is very difficult to buy, sell or hold Enjin coin at this time, friends. Negative 5.58% falls occur in the last 1 hour, and negative 18.07% falls occur in the last 1 day, and 22.37 falls occur in the last 1 week, friends. So absolutely continuous the falling periods occur in Enjin coin. If we talk about the price of Enjin coin, so the price of Enjin coin is about 2.51 USD dollar is the price of Enjin coin at this time, friends. Now and let's see the price prediction chart of the Enjin coin, that's what goes in the next, and after that I decide you that what's the next target of the Enjin coin, friends. As you can see here, that is the last 1 hour price prediction chart of the Enjin coin. If we look the price prediction chart of the Enjin coin, so very complex structure of the Enjin coin, falls down, continuously falls occur. And if we talk about the current situation of the people Enjin coin network, so as you can see here, there is a small jump occur, and after a small jump there is a great falls occur. So that means that the falling of the Enjin coin or starts now. As you can see here, falls, and after a falls there is a small jump. As you can see here, the green candle representing the falls. As you can see, a small jump, and after a great falls there is a small jump. After a great falls there is a small jump. So that is clear for that's a period of the Enjin coin or falls down, friends. According to this pattern, as you can see, one jump, and after a small jump, and after a small jump there is a great fall. So according to, if they continue this kind of change, so and in the coming days, in the future, the falls down occurs in the Enjin coin continuously. Of this kind of pattern continues by Enjin coin. My suggestion for all of you, if you are holders, so please, you are also in the loss, so please hold your Enjin coin with the last of this month. Maybe there is a jump occur in the Enjin coin in the coming soon days, so please hold your Enjin coin with the last half this month. Thank you so much for watching this video. What's your opinion about Enjin coin? Please share in the comment box, and kindly subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and updates about Enjin coin. Thank you so much for watching this video.